Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael again. Today we're going to talk about a junk removal job that I completed this morning. I'm going to go over how I got the job, how I priced the job. I'm going to go over some pictures that I've took of the job before and after. Also, I'm going to go over the dump fee for the job. I'm new to this business, so if you guys have any pointers for me or have any questions on how I'm starting this and how I'm getting my pricing, please leave some comments below. Follow and subscribe to me as well. I'm kind of new to these videos, so please try to support me as much as you can. I appreciate it. I also kept some items to myself. Normally I'll throw some items in the truck bed if I like it, if it stands out to me, if it's something nice that people are throwing away, I will resell it. Sometimes I'll keep it for my house. Today I got some really nice stuff for my house. I will show you those items. Or I'll even just give some stuff to Goodwill or give it to my friends or family, okay? So let's get started. I actually got this job was SEO. So I have an SEO company that does my website and everything like that. I've probably been with them for about 3 months right now. It's Big West Marketing. You should look them up if you haven't already done so. They manage my pressure washing business and my junk removal business. So I've had them for about 3 months, and they actually have me ranked in Virginia Beach. I'm in Virginia area. They have me ranked #1 for junk hauling actually so far. This is very soon. So I've been getting some calls from them. Maybe I'll get 3 or 4 calls a week. So that's how I landed the job. So I had a lady text me, she's looking for some items in her garage, areas around the house. So I got back with her right away. I texted her price and I said, all right, is that all the pictures that you have? And I said, rough estimate is actually going to be about like $500. So she said, okay, let me talk it over with my husband. And, normally when I get that answer, I automatically think that they're probably not going to go with me. Or if a guy says, oh, I'm going to talk it over with my wife, normally they don't get back to me, honestly. But they actually contacted me back about 3 to 4 days later. We locked it in 2 days ago, and I had some time on my schedule to take care of them this morning. So we went out there, took a look, and I messaged her before as well. And I'll say, I give you this price of $500, but the price could vary from, sometimes people don't take pictures the best. Sometimes they might have some stuff hidden in a corner. It happens a lot actually from some jobs that I've done, and I'll tell them the price is going to be higher, and normally that's okay with them. So I told her, it could be 500, it could be a little bit more, and she got back with me and she said I actually gave some of the items away, and I said okay, that's fine, but we ended up closing still at $500. All right, guys, so in the next clip I'm actually going to show you some pictures and some videos of the job site and me actually dumping it at the dump so you can see how much stuff it was. I will tell you guys, there was some big boxes in there, so it might seem like there's a lot more stuff inside my trailer and some more stuff inside the garage, but they had boxes, big, they had them tall, 4 foot, they had a couple 4-foot boxes. And as well, the $500 that I charged them, sometimes, obviously the pricing is going to vary in each state. I'm in Virginia. It's going to be cheaper than California, vice versa, whatever. Look at what your dump fees are. Ours is around here. It depends on where you take it. We charge around $55 a ton to $75 a ton that I've seen max around here. This load itself was about a ton, a little over a ton. I'd say it was probably $60 to dump everything. So that's pretty much how much it costs to dump a full load of just regular items. I have rented my dumpster out to roofing companies that have absolutely maxed the trailer out at about 10,000 pounds. I'd say the dump fee for that was probably like in the $200 to $300 range. So be careful if you have a lot of heavy items. Obviously, you're gonna price it higher, okay? So just keep that in mind. This job only took, I hired a buddy of mine. I just posted up on social media looking for a hand. So what I did was I grabbed a buddy of mine, paid him a couple dollars an hour, and we actually took care of this job in 45 minutes, okay? That's us loading the whole trailer, putting the tarp over the trailer, driving over to the transfer station that's about 10-15 minutes away and dumping it. So it didn't take no time at all. And we made $500, plus I had to pay him a little bit of money. I paid him for a half day, and I paid the dump fee, which was, I'd say, $50-$60. So you're still making money off of it. Obviously, I'm still getting, this is still a new business to me. I probably could have got a little bit more, maybe $550 to $600. But like I said, guys, this is a learning experience for me. So if you guys can help me out too, please let me know. And now I'll be showing you some pictures and videos, all right? So now that you have some pictures and videos of the job site, I'm gonna do a little recap, and I'm gonna show you some pieces that I kept for myself that I plan on reselling, and some pieces that I'm gonna keep for my house as well. So a recap, how I got the job was actually SEO. I have an SEO team. They post on Google for me. So we do pictures, they do word terms and stuff like that on my website. We get reviews, we do all that stuff, so we're showing up on Google good. And that's how they found us. The job site took us about 45 minutes. That was loading everything up, taking it to the transfer station, okay? I charged them $500, and I gave them a little bit of a window. I said it could be a little bit less, it could be a little bit more, okay? I always tell customers that with both of my businesses, because you never know what you're gonna get yourself into until you get to the job site. Even if it's with pictures, like I said, people will try to hide things in pictures. I don't know why the hell they do that, because they know you're gonna come do the job. All right, so that's the pricing. Also, be careful with pricing. Don't base it off of my prices. I'm still new to this business, so I'm still learning as well. But I feel like I did pretty good today. And also, if you live in California, it could be a little bit more. If you live in Florida, it's going to be different. Wherever you live, it's going to be different pricing, okay? You might be charging more, you might be charging less. All right, now I'm going to show you some items. We're going to go into my garage and look at some stuff that I kept for myself, all right? So right here, you can see we got a couple end tables right here. I'm going to plan on reselling those on the marketplace or on some sort of offer up or something like that. We got a skill saw right here. That looks pretty nice. It's still in working condition. I don't know how much I'm gonna price that for, but I'm gonna throw that up there as well. Right here, we actually got another saw that we found. It's in working condition. And we got some sort of tin sign right here. That's pretty cool. And then I'll take you guys inside and I'll show you some really cool stuff that I got. Right here, you can see I got a nice little art piece that I found. I might actually put that inside of my house because I thought it was pretty cool. And then we could walk over here. I actually got this art piece. It is three-dimensional, okay? Three-dimensional, you can see it like that. This art piece right here was $300 online. So I plan on hanging that on my wall right about there. So that's some cool things you can look forward to. It's finding cool pieces like that. I don't know what you guys are into, but you're gonna find something that you like, that's for sure. All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps up this video. Hopefully I could help somebody out or, show them just a day's worth of work. And if you guys have any questions or any comments, any pointers or anything like that, I'm actually new to this YouTube thing. I know I don't have the best videos. I know I'm not the best at talking, but every day is a new learning experience. And I'm on here to help people out. I'm on here to meet new people around the world. And let's just try to be successful. I'm new to this junk business, but I actually have an exterior cleaning business. So I actually, I know how to grow things a little bit faster, other than starting from scratch. So I do have some tips on here for you guys, and I will be posting exterior cleaning videos for pressure washing, gutter cleaning, even roof cleaning on how-to videos, just day in the life. So, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and let's grow this thing together.